So let's talk about comparing values. Knowing that anytime you switch from one place value to the place value next to it, you're multiplying it by 10 to get to that place value. If I'm going from 1s to 10s, I'm simply multiplying it by 10. For example, 3 and 30, the difference is I'm multiplying this by 10. So the 3 and the 30 is 10 times the value of the 3 in the 1's place. So let's look at this number up here. We have 35,762, 7,483. And we're going to compare these two numbers, but we're not just going to compare the numbers, we're going to compare the 7s in each of those numbers. So for right now, you don't even have to look at the whole number. You're just looking at the value of the 7s. So what's the value of the 7 here? Well, it's 700. And what's the value of the 7 here? It's 7,000. So we need to figure out what's the difference between these two values. Well, we know anytime we skip one spot in the place value chart, we're multiplying it by 10, right? So the 7 in 7,000 is 10 times the value of the 7 in 700s. We're not going to use these two numbers anymore. We're going to come back up here and use the actual numbers that they've given us. So we got to figure out which one's more. Well, this one's worth more. Even though this number is bigger, the 7, the value of the 7 is worth more. So the value of the 7 in 7,483 is 10 times the value of the 7 in 35,762. Don't be fooled by which number is bigger or smaller. You're going to take the value that they want you to find the answer for, bring those down, and then figure out which one's bigger from there. And then you can solve your answer.